Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. The Jones Law, also known as the Jones Act, the Philippine Autonomy Act, and the Act of Congress of August 29, 1916, was an organic act passed by the United States Congress. The law replaced the Philippine Organic Act of 1902 and acted as a constitution of the Philippines from its enactment until 1934, when the Tydings McDuffie Act was passed, which in turn led eventually to the Commonwealth of the Philippines and to independence from the United States. The Jones Law created the first fully elected Philippine legislature. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. The law was enacted by 64th United States Congress on August 29, 1916 at naglalaman ng unang formal at opisyal na deklarasyon ng pangako ng pamahalaang federal ng Estados Unidos na magbigay ng kalayaan sa Pilipinas. Ito ay isang balangkas para sa isang higit na nagsasarili na pamahalaan na may ilang mga pribilehiyong nakalaan sa Estados Unidos upang protektahan ang mga karapatan at interes nito sa soberanya bilang paghahanda para sa pagkakaloob ng kalayaan ng Estados Unidos. Itinakda ng batas na ang pagkakaloob ng kalayaan ay darating lamang sa sandaling maitatag ang isang matatag na pamahalaan na dapat ipasya mismo ng pamahalaan ng Estados Unidos. Binago din ng batas ang lehislatura ng Pilipinas sa unang ganap na nahalal na katawan ng Pilipinas at sa makatuwid ay ginawa itong mas otonomiya ng gobyerno ng US. Ang 1902 Philippine Organic Act ay nagtadhana para sa isang inihalal na mababang kapuluan or ang Philippine Assembly, habang ang mataas na kapuluan, ang Philippine Commission, ay itinalaga. The Jones Law provided for both houses to be elected and changed the name of the Philippine Assembly to the House of Representatives. Ang sangay na tagapagpaganap ay patuloy na ipinamumunuan ng isang hinirang na Gobernador General ng Pilipinas, palaging isang Amerikano. Ang mga halalan ay ginanap noong October 3, 1916 para sa bagong likhang Senado ng Pilipinas. Ang mga halalan ng Philippine Assembly ay naisagawa na noong June 6, 1916 at ang mga nahalal sa halalang iyon ay ginawang miyembro ng kapulungan ng mga kinatawan ng batas. Ang pinakalayunin ng Pilipinas ay kalayaan, US President Theodore Roosevelt said as early as 1901. We hope to do for them what has never been done for any people of the tropics, to make them fit for self-government after the fashion of really free nations. The American public tended to view America's presence in Philippines as unremunerative and expensive. Kaya't sinabi ni Roosevelt noong 1907, we shall have to be prepared for giving the islands independence of a more or less complete type much sooner than I think advisable. Sinabi ni Woodrow Wilson sa panahon ng kampanya sa halalan noong 1912 na ginawa siyang Pangulo ng Estados Unidos, "The Philippines are at present our frontier, but I hope we presently are to deprive ourselves of that frontier." Even before the 1912 elections, U.S. House Committee on Insular Affairs Chairman William Atkinson Jones attempted to launch a bill that would set a fixed date for Philippine independence. Si Manuel O. Quezon ay isa sa dalawang resident commissioner ng Pilipinas sa U.S. House of Representatives. Naantala ni Jones ang paglulunsad ng kanyang panukalang batas, kaya binalangkas ni Quezon ang una sa dalawang Jones Bills. Bumuo siya ng pangalawang Jones Bill noong unang bahagi ng 1914 pagkatapos ng halalan kay Wilson bilang presidente ng US at sa kanyang paghirang kay Francis Burton Harrison bilang Pangulo ng Philippine Commission at Gobernador General ng Pilipinas. Ipinaalam ni Wilson kay Quezon ang kanyang pagkagalit sa anumang nakapirmang timetable para sa kalayaan at naniniwala si Quezon that the draft bill contained enough flexibility to suit Wilson. The bill passed the House of Representatives in October 1913 and went to the Senate, backed by Harrison, U.S. Secretary of War Lindley Garrison, and President Wilson. Ang isang panghuling bersyon ng panukalang batas ay nilagdaan ng batas ng US ni Pangulong Wilson noong Agosto 29, 1916 after amendment by the Senate and further changes in a Congressional Conference Committee. Among the provisions of the law was the creation of an all-Filipino legislature. It created the Philippine Senate to replace the Philippine Commission, which had served as the upper chamber of the legislature. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Isagani Rosario, Flores Ria, and Damski Channel. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote by Dodinsky, be there for others, but never leave yourself behind.